I am Jolien Vissers of the Researcher Training and Development Office. I will introduce you today to the ins and outs of the Doctoral Training Program at the VUB. The goal of the VUB Doctoral Training Program is to reward PhD candidates for their activities undertaken during their PhD. These activities can be learning a new skill, writing an article, teaching, and so on. You can select which activities you can participate in for your doctoral training program. This can be based on your personal preferences and capabilities. The only mandatory activity all VUB PhD candidates need to complete for the doctoral training program is the VUB PhD Introduction Package. What is this PhD Introduction Package? Well, this package contains an introduction e-learning, a data management track, and an ethics and scientific integrity track. This will give you the best start as a PhD candidate at our university. Completing this package will earn you 2 credits for your doctoral training program. So to recap, the VUB Doctoral Training Program will reward you for activities undertaken during your PhD. You can choose which category of activities you will focus on, and only the PhD Introduction Package is mandatory for all PhD candidates. There are, however, 2 requirements to complete the VUB Doctoral Training Program. Firstly, you will need to collect a minimum of 5 credits per quadrant. These quadrants are there to help you broaden your horizon during your PhD. Secondly, you will need to acquire at least 30 credits in total before your doctoral thesis submission. You can earn these credits by adding your activities to your PhD portfolio. Let's put this in a schematic overview. Here you can see the 4 quadrants: research output, teaching and societal outreach, research-specific skills, and transferable skills. To earn credits for the research output quadrant, you can add activities such as writing an article for an academic audience or doing a poster presentation at a conference. Credits for teaching and societal outreach can be earned by adding activities such as teaching a course here at the VUB or writing about your research in a blog. For the research-specific skills quadrant, you can add activities such as participating in a course to better your research skills, or, for example, develop a new software based on your research. And to earn credits for the transferable skills quadrant, you can attend a workshop to learn new transferable skills. We offer a workshop in time management, for example. You can also add activities that develop your transferable skills, such as the organization of a conference and other activities. Activities that are intersectoral, interdisciplinary, and connected to international mobility will earn you wildcard credits. If you're at the end of your PhD and you do not meet the requirement of having at least 5 credits in each of the 4 quadrants, then maximum 4 wildcard credits will be automatically used to help meet this requirement. And even though you have a deficit in your quadrant, with the wildcard credits, you can still successfully complete your doctoral training program. Lastly, earn what activities can earn you credits and in which quadrant they belong by reading the credit table, which is available on We Are PhD. And only adding your activities in your PhD portfolio can acquire you the necessary credits. You can find the PhD portfolio in Kali. But let's take a closer look at the PhD portfolio itself. Here you can see the main page of the PhD portfolio. It will give you an overview of all the credits you have acquired in the 4 quadrants and as wildcard credits. To add an activity to your PhD portfolio, you can either add it directly into Kali, into the PhD portfolio, or through the Pure database. Read the credit table to find out which tool, Kali or the Pure database, to use. Manuals on how to add activities correctly to your PhD portfolio can also be found on We Are PhD. And lastly, on the main page of your PhD portfolio, you can see these buttons, the buttons for the Doctoral Training Attestation. The Doctoral Training Attestation is a document that shows an overview of all approved activities in your PhD portfolio. We highly recommend printing this attestation at the end of your PhD because it can be an asset during your future job hunt. This was your introduction to the doctoral training program, the PhD introduction package and the PhD portfolio at our university. Remember to consult the credit table and the manuals on We Are PhD to add your activities correctly and to earn your credits. When in doubt, check the frequently asked questions at our website or contact us at rtdo@vub.be. I hope to see you during one of our activities and or trainings. Have a great day. Bye!